It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Take it away, John.
Today John's going to do a flip cup. Got a bunch of pretty colors right here. And we're going to try it right here like this.
Whoa, that was pretty quick.
Yeah, we're not going to mess around. We're speed painting today. Speed painting today. Oh, let's see. I don't want to make a hole in this cup because this is one of our few 9-ounce cups we have left. Right?
Well, we'll have to go buy some.
Oh, I forgot to put my gloves on. I don't know. What do you think?
What do you think, guys? Oh, he's got some cells. How'd you get cells? Did you use silicone?
Oh yeah, I loaded up the white with silicone.
Oh, you did.
But we're using all the apple barrel pastel colors again.
Okay.
They're all mixed with...
Not all of them.
Most of them are mixed with Floetrol and Deco Art Medium. And paint, no water, and GAC. 85,000. 800.
800.
There you go.
That's his humor, guys. Sorry
Humor.
about that.
You ready?
Ready. What? What the heck was that?
That
Off
was.
the side there.
I just don't want it to go that way.
Which way?
That way, too much.
This way?
Yeah, I didn't want it to go too far
Out of your section there. You have some extra if you like.
Oh, that's nice.
That's pretty colors. Same as I used. Go figure, right?
It is, yeah.
Wow.
Exactly the same. I don't want to stretch out these cells too much.
How come you just put white on the border? Oh, so it'll take it and run with it?
Yeah, because this is, I had painted this board before and I wiped it off because I didn't like it. So it was a little on the sticky side. So I wanted to make sure, I was going to make sure that these, oh.
Oh, big.
What's that?
Big cells there.
A big guy.
Careful, you're getting closer to mine again. I moved mine far over. Should have used edge catcher.
Ah, yeah, I was told about that, wasn't
And so was I, and I didn't do it either. We got to cut one small enough so we can use it. That way you just push the paint right back onto the canvas.
Push it back there, push it on.
Pretty colors. Pastel-y. Uh-oh, what are you gonna do now?
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. Believe me, I'm not doing anything. Just want to take care of this. I want it to run off. Let me have some of that nice white ears.
You went right over your painting again.
I know, I'm not the brightest bulb in the pack, am I?
It's pretty colors. Cells are all wonky. Aren't they?
They're wonky cells, yes. kind of like me.
Wonky tonky.
Can
the camera see that?
Not a camera can see. The camera's looking at the bottom of the canvas.
Oh.
Probably end up the better side of the canvas anyhow, so. Okay. Well, there we are. We'll see how it dries. Give me a little shot of this.
Okay, guys, this is interesting. In the last video, I used the colors, the same colors that John used.
Don't drip it over top of my
No,
picture.
I'm not going to. We'll show you what they look like when they dry. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and family and neighbors and co-workers. The people you walk by in the store. Anybody.
Dogs, cats.
Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings
And the cells are popping out like crazy.
on eBay. Username John Him. The cells are popping out like crazy there on John's painting. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.